Hello dear students of class 9. This is video number 7 of the topic factorization. Today I am going to explain exercise 5th E. My dear student, there is no new concept in this exercise. Okay, you can consider this exercise just like the miscellaneous exercise. Now I am going to take some problems of exercise 5th E from your book. Watch them carefully and practice them. See problem number first of exercise 5th E. X square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1 minus 7x minus 7 upon 2x. Okay, this is the first problem. See, my dear student, we can write this expression as square of x, and this can be written as 1 upon 2x whole square. Now plus 2 into a into b. You can see x is considered as a and 1 upon 2x considered as b, then a square plus b square plus 2ab. If we simplify this expression, we obtain what? 1. Okay. Now from this expression minus 7x minus 7 upon 2x, we can take common minus 7. On taking minus 7 common, we obtain x plus 1 upon 2x. Now see this step very carefully, my dear students. This whole expression is treated as a plus b whole square, because you can see x act as a, 1 upon 2x act as b, so a square plus b square plus 2ab is what? A plus b whole square. Okay, I hope you understood well. Minus 7 times of x plus 1 upon 2x. Now dear students, see, if this is considered as the first section and this is as second section, then what is common in between both of these sections? You can see x plus 1 upon 2x is common. So if we take x plus 1 upon 2x common, we obtain what? X plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. So this is the required answer of problem number first, my dear students. Now see problem number second. Second problem is what? 9a square plus 1 upon 9a square minus 2 minus 12a plus 4 upon 3a. Dear student, this is also the similar problem. Just this problem is just like question number first. This is the square of what? 3a. This is the square of what? 1 upon 3a. Since minus 2 is given, that's why we use the identity a minus b whole square. And this identity is what? A square plus b square, and after that minus 2 into a into b. So minus 2 into a is what? 3a. B is what? 1 upon 3a. You can see, if we simplify this expression, we obtain what? Minus 2. Okay, इसका मतलब बिल्कुल सही चल रहा है. Now see this step. From this expression you can take common minus 4. If we take common minus 4, we obtain what? 4 3s are 12 and minus 1 upon 3a. Now see this expression. 3a act as a, 1 upon 3a act as b. So Which identity is used here? You can see a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is what? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square minus 4 times of 3a minus 1 upon 3. Now dear students, see very carefully what is common in between both of these sections. You can see 3a minus 1 upon 3 is common. So taking common 3a minus 1 upon 3a. After taking common 3a minus 1 upon 3a, we obtain what? 3a minus 1 upon 3a minus 4. So this is the required answer of problem number 2. Now see problem number 3. My dear students, please copy these solutions properly in your fair copy. Third problem. X square plus a square plus 1 upon a into x plus 1. Okay? My dear student, we can write it as x square plus a square. This expression can be written as a square plus 1 upon a multiplied with x. You can write this expression as. Now see, a square when divided by a, we obtain what? A, and a is multiplied with x, so ax. Now 1 upon a into x plus 1. Now see, if this section is considered as the first part and this section is considered as the second part, then in first part you can see common is what? X. If x is common, then we obtain x plus a. And here you can take common 1 upon a. After taking common 1 upon a, we obtain what? X plus a. Now dear students, see, once again, if this is the first section and this is the second section, see what is common in between both of these sections. You can see x plus a is common. Now taking common x plus a. After taking x plus a common from this expression, we obtain what? X plus 1 upon a. So this is the required answer of this problem, dear students. See the next problem now, problem number 4. Problem number 4. X raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 minus 27 times of x square y square. This is very important problem, dear students, for examination point of view. See, we can write it as this is the square of x square and this is the square of y square. Okay? Now minus 2, no, plus 2. अब ये कैसे सोच रहा हूं कि मैं प्लस 2 लूं कि माइनस 2 लूं, वो समझिएगा. प्लस 2 a b plus 2ab. A is what? X square. B is what? Y square. Plus 2ab. Now see, we have negative 27x square y square. Negative 27x square y square. No. In place of this, we have to take minus. Minus 2x square y square minus 25x square y square. Why I am taking the minus sign, not the plus sign? This is the main question. कि क्या कारण है कि मैंने minus 2ab यूज किया plus 2ab यूज नहीं किया? उसका रीजन क्या है? The reason is what? When we use minus 2ab, यहां क्या आएगा? minus 25x square y square, because minus 2 minus 25 is what? Minus 27. and 25x square y square is the perfect square. एक्चुअली अगर मैं +2 लेता यहां, +2 लेने से यहां मुझे देखिए, अगर मैं +2 लेता तो मुझे -29 लाना पड़ता, because +2 minus 29 is -27 and 29 is not the perfect square of any number. आपको perfect square बनाना है, and this is possible only when we take the minus sign. -2x square y square minus 25x square y square is what? -27x square y square. And you can see here 25x square y square is the perfect square of what? 5xy. Okay, now see, this expression get converted to x square minus y square whole square by using the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square, and this is the square of what? 5xy. Now here we can apply the identity a square minus b square, which is what? A plus b multiplied with a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. This is the required answer of this problem, dear student. This is very important problem for the examination point of view, so keep in mind properly. See, question number 5. 4x raised to the power 4 plus 9y raised to the power 4 plus 11x square y square. This is just like the same problem as problem number 4. So this is also very important problem. See, this is the square of what? The square of 2x square. This is the square of what? 3y square whole square. मेन चीज क्या है जो आपको नोट करनी है कि वेदर वी हैव टू यूज +2 और द -2, ये ध्यान देना है. वो कैसे ध्यान देना? Here we use +2, 2 into a 2ab, 2ab. See, 2a is what? 2x square, b is what? 3y square. Now see, this is what? 2 to the 4, 3 is 12x square y square. This is what? 12x square y square. बट हमारे पास क्या है? 11x square y square. कितना एक्स्ट्रा आ गया? How much extra is added here? 1x square y square. So subtract x square y square from this expression. Now you can see 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. 12x square y square minus x square y square is what? 11x square y square. And one more thing, जिस तरीके से 25x square y square perfect square था 5xy का, in the same way you can see here x square y square is the perfect square of xy. Okay, means हम लोग सही चल रहे हैं. See, a square plus b square plus 2ab is what? A plus b whole square minus square of xy. This will become what? A plus b, a minus b. Okay, this is the required answer of this problem. Now see the next problem. Problem number 6. x square plus 1 upon x square minus 3. Okay, we can write it as plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2ab. If we simplify this expression, we obtain minus 2, but here what is given? Minus 3, so minus 1 होना है. This will become what? X minus 1 upon x whole square minus 1 whole square. We can write it as a plus b, a minus b. This is the required answer of problem number 6. Just a minute, dear students. This is exercise 5th E. 5th E. Question number 6th. Okay. Now, see question number 7. My dear students, I hope you understand well all these problems. Okay? And you can also think that this is the miscellaneous exercise. We are just using the concepts of the previous exercises. Okay? Question number 7. A minus b minus 4a square plus 4b square. A minus b, taking common minus 4, we obtain a square minus b square. Dear student, in the next step we can write minus 4 times of the identity a square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Now from this expression and this expression we can take common a minus b. After taking common a minus b, we obtain 1 minus 4 times of a plus b. And in next step we can write it as a minus b, 1 minus 4a minus 4b. This is the required answer of this problem. Dear students, I request you once again, please copy the solutions properly in your fair copy. And maintain your fair copy properly. This is my personal request. Say, question number 8. 2a minus 3 whole square minus 2 times of 2a minus 3 into a minus 1 plus a minus 1 whole square. Okay? See. My dear student, see, this is very easy problem. If you consider that 2a minus 3 act as a, if 2a minus 3 act as a and a minus 1 act as b, then this is what? Minus 2a b. See once again, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is what? This we can write it as a minus b whole square. So what is a? A. This is a. Minus b. B is what? A minus 1. Minus b. So minus a plus 1 whole square. We can write the given expression directly in this form because you can see here the identity a minus b whole square is utilized here. You can see once again, if we are considering that 2a minus 3 act as a minus 1 act as b, so this is a square, this is b square, and you can see here what is given? Minus 2ab. So this is the formula of what? This is the formula of a minus b whole square. So simplify this expression. 2a minus a is what? A. Minus 3 plus 1 is what? Minus 2 whole square. Now dear students, I hope that you understand very well all these 8 problems which I have taught today. My dear students, next problem will be uploaded in next video. Please practice very well for your better result. Thank you very much.